What's up, Team Cruise Control? Our skill of the day is the Turkish Get Up. Follow along. You can use a kettlebell, a dumbbell, or you can even use a shoe just to try to get the technique down before you add any weight. So, I'm going to start with my left side, your right. So, thing number one, you want your right foot. That's going to be the source of all of your strength and stability. Never let this foot leave the ground, all right? We're going to get the object into your right hand. So, we're going to lie down. We're going to punch it straight up in there. I need that elbow locked out. Once again, your right foot is down for balance and leverage. Step number one, we're going to sit up and get onto our elbow. So step one, heel down, hips up, sit up here. I'm on my elbow. Step number two, I'm going to upright, press down with my hand. A nice strong lock out here. Step number three, I'm going to upright my hip, then I'm going to slide my foot through. From here, I'm going to upright my torso, then I'm going to do a nice strong lunge to stand up, then follow the same path on the way down. So, reverse lunge, find your hand to the floor, slide that leg through, booty to the ground, elbow to the ground, lie down, and that is one beautiful repetition. All right, let's do one more together on this side. So, lock out that elbow, heel down for support, drive through that right foot, sit up onto your elbow, get onto your palm, hips up, thread that needle, upright the torso, stand up nice and tall, reverse lunge, hand to the floor, slide that leg through, booty to the floor, elbow to the floor, and lie down, all right? Got it? All right, now let's try it with your non-dominant side. Let's try it with your left side, all right? So same deal, remember, your left foot is the source of all of your strength and power and stability. Do not let it leave the floor. All right, guys? So flat on your back, lock out that elbow. We're gonna sit up, driving that heel onto your elbow. Step two, onto your hand. Step three, hips up. Slide that leg through, upright the torso, stand up tall, reverse lunge, hand to the floor, slide that leg through, booty to the floor, elbow to the floor, lie down, and that is the business. Another bro tip, I know that we're learning the movement here, but try not to look at me while you're doing this. Try to keep your eyes on your object the entire time and keep that elbow locked down. All right, guys, we have a few minutes to practice. Let's get after it.